If you've been trying to figure out how to build a form with hidden fields for tracking, this video is going to show you exactly how in under 3 minutes, without the fluff. And here's the kicker. I've tested all the popular software out there, and I'll be using the one that stood out the most. If you want to follow along or implement this fast, there's an exclusive free trial just for viewers of this channel. Link in the description. Now, why hidden fields? Simple. They let you pass data silently in the background, like UTM parameters, referral sources, or even custom campaign IDs, without the user ever seeing it. Crucial for clean analytics, better ad tracking, and personalized follow-ups. So let's jump in. Inside the software we'll be using, start by creating a new form or opening an existing one. From the form builder interface, look for the TAS hidden field unhas option. It's usually under advanced fields or input types. Drag it into your form like any other field. Now rename the field something like UTM source or campaign ID, whatever you want to track. This name will act as the key when data is passed through a URL or script. Next, you need to make sure your hidden field can dynamically collect data. In most form builders, you do this by enabling getValue from URL parameter or default value from query string. Set the parameter name exactly as it would appear in your campaign links, like UTM source, for example. Let's say your landing page URL looks like this: yourdomain.com form UTM source on TAS Facebook. With this setup, the hidden field will automatically store Facebook without the user ever knowing. You can also use scripts to inject values into hidden fields. This is useful if you're pulling data from cookies, user sessions, or more advanced tracking tools. Just be sure to test that your script populates the field before submission. Once your hidden fields are set up, make a test submission using a URL with parameters. Then check your form entries or CRM integration to make sure the values are showing up correctly. And here's a quick pro tip. If you're sending form data to something like Google Sheets, HubSpot, or a custom webhook, these hidden values will pass through just like visible ones. No extra setup needed. Before we wrap up, here's the key takeaway. Hidden fields let you silently collect essential tracking data inside your forms without disrupting the user experience. Whether you're running paid ads or just trying to understand your funnel better, they're non-negotiable for smart tracking. Quick recap. Add hidden fields in your form builder. Label them clearly for tracking, like UTM source. Set them to pull values from URL parameters or scripts. Test everything to make sure data is captured correctly. If you want to try the exact software we used, grab the exclusive free trial link in the description. Only for subscribers of this channel. It's the fastest way to implement this yourself. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.